Today I would like to introduce this product. Hand-woven men's casual style belt. Think out material brushed silver pin buckle. The two colors are woven together. Zoom in detail. The tail is wrapped in leather. The grain is clear and the workmanship is clean. Leather side cut flat. The sewing thread is smooth and there are no skip stitches. The workmanship here is also very meticulous. This is Bull 1. Weaving is dense. You can see the side treatment of the belt. This weaving process is called fishbone. Shaped like a fishbone. The tail is also doing very well. Secure here with silver screws. If you want to change the belt buckle style, we also have thousands of styles for you to choose from. All product colors can be changed. Like this one, it's a bright black pink buckle. There are details on the left and right sides. Square buckle in matte black. A logo can be added to the flat part of the back. Brushed silver, its skin growths are a detail of the design. Laser or silkscreen logos can be added on both sides. This is a style with a thin frame. This style is very special. We added bar details around it. Made a very beautiful shadow design. The two colors have their own characteristics. For bulk orders, we will use transparent film to protect the belt buckle. Now pack the customer's sample. Write product details on the card. Pack the products he needs. If you want to know more about our products, welcome to contact us.